Okay, I'm gonna go left because Kim has you in the kitchen going right. So this is what would be the master bedroom. You have a nice chair rail and a master bath. Heat from the ceiling, wooden ceilings. Nice and bright. It's separated from the rest of the house, so it's got some privacy. Well, I guess it's off the living room. It's not that private. This is laminate wood flooring. It's not linoleum and it's not hardwood. The bathroom is tile. You might need to take the wallpaper down, but it has seamless sinks. Hey! Some older fixtures, but fixtures can be, you know, you can pick those up at Lowe's, or it's got a potty and a tub shower. And then the closet. And the laundry is in here, which I really like that idea because I don't have to go far with my clothes. It's a pretty big closet.